Do you want to give your room a fresh new look without spending a fortune? Stay with me, because today I'm going to show you how to completely transform your space on a budget. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. A lot of people think that decorating or transforming a room costs a lot of money, but the truth is, with the right ideas and simple tools, you can make your room look stylish and cozy without breaking the bank. Practical suggestions. Let's start with the walls. Instead of expensive wallpaper, you can use plastic wall decals. They are easy to apply, removable, and cost a fraction of traditional wallpaper. Next, think about your furniture. Instead of buying new pieces, try giving your old furniture a makeover. A can of paint and some new handles can turn an old table or dresser into something modern and fresh. For lighting, swap out your regular bulbs with warm LED lights or add a budget-friendly floor lamp. Good lighting alone can change the mood of your room instantly. Explaining tools in a practical way. You'll need basic tools like a paintbrush, roller, and painter's tape for wall and furniture projects. Don't worry, these tools are inexpensive and can be reused for many projects. A simple screwdriver is enough for changing drawer handles, and LED bulbs can be screwed in without any extra tools. Quick tips: use throw pillows and blankets to add color and texture. Add mirrors to make the space look bigger. Rearrange your furniture before buying anything new. Sometimes a fresh layout is all you need. Cost comparison. For example, instead of spending $150 on new wallpaper, you can use removable decals for under $40. A new dresser might cost $200, but repainting your old one will cost less than $30. Even small changes like switching to LED lights can save you money in the long run because they use less electricity. And there you have it: simple, budget-friendly ways to transform your room without overspending. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, comment your favorite idea, and don't forget to share this